So ultimate impressions of Sapa, should you go to Sapa? If you've never been somewhere where you've seen etched into the mountainside thousands of steps of rice fields, it is very, very beautiful and very, very jaw-dropping. When you start the hike, there's gonna be the local woman who will follow you, and they start asking, oh, where are you from, and starting conversation. They're getting tree branches, they're making things for you, getting it to you. If you need a hand going down the hill, or where it's a bit tricky, or if you're crossing something, they definitely will give you their hand. And another great thing is the animals you'll meet. You'll definitely see pigs and water buffaloes. So after you've been hiking for 12 kilometers, I think it's over about maybe 7 hours of hiking. And so when you get to this homestay, which is more like a hostel, they greet you with water and tea, and you take your shoes off, and then they show you the beds. So you've got these really comfortable blankets, and then you kind of just take a nap. You fall asleep with the fresh air. And then you awake to either a dog barking or a rooster kind of crowing, or you hear some frogs. The homestay is nice because there everyone you've hiked with, it's kind of communal, and then they have this cooking class where you can learn how to make some egg rolls together. And people were singing. If you're not into yoga and you have a brain. Go ahead. If you find yourself in northern Vietnam, set aside some time to visit Sapa before it's too late. It is an amazing place. You'll have an amazing time, guaranteed. I hope this video helps. Thanks so much for getting this far in the video. If you found it to be informative and valuable and you really liked the content, then let me know by liking or subscribing to my channel here or here. I'm not sure where the button is, but again, thanks so much for watching.